What's going on, everybody? Austin here. In today's video, I want to show you 5 apps that you can download today and start earning money. It's not going to probably be a ton of money, make you rich and be able to quit your job, but it is a way for you to make extra money from the comfort of your own home, just watching videos, playing games, doing surveys. I'm going to show you 5 different apps that I recommend. But before we do that, I need you to do 2 things. And I need you to just subscribe to this channel. Right below here, just push that subscribe button for me. I greatly appreciate it. And smash that like button so I can keep creating content like this for you beautiful people. So as you can see, I'm on my YouTube channel. That was again, just so you would click that subscribe button over there. It's actually below. But the very first thing you're going to need to do is make sure you have a PayPal account so you can start receiving payouts from these apps that I'm going to show you. They're not going to be in any particular order from best to worst. In fact, my favorite will be in the middle and I'll tell you which one it is. But jump over to paypal.com if you're completely new and if you don't have a PayPal account. If you already have that, just stick with me for a second. I'm just showing this to people that don't have one. PayPal is an easy way for you to send money and shop with it's really just a bank account. But it's super simple. It's easy to sign up. It's totally free. You just click the button right here, sign up for free, and you'll create a personal account or a business account. More than likely, you'll just have a personal account. Super simple to do. I'm not going to walk you through the steps, but this is what you'll need to get paid out from any of these other websites. So next, we'll want to jump over to Google. Once you're on Google, just go to the type in Google Play. And if any of you don't know what Google Play is, it's Google's app store, kind of like the app store. If you have an iPhone, you have the Apple app store, and I think Android has an app store, and Google has their own app store right here. So just click Google Play right here. And this is where you can access a bunch of different apps on the App Store. So I'm going to show you my top 5 apps for you to start earning money just from the comfort of your own home using a phone, tablet, or even your computer. So the very first app is going to be, just go to the search bar and type in TV2 and then hit enter. And you can see this very first app right here with the TV hand throwing you the deuces. Click that one. That's one of the ones I like. This is one I wanted to go over with you. You can watch and earn rewards, get BTC and get ETH. What BTC is Bitcoin. I don't know if you're new here, or if you don't even know what Bitcoin is. It's a cryptocurrency and it's skyrocketing right now. It's actually one Bitcoin, I think at the current time of this video, is worth $38,000. I'm not saying that they'll give you a whole Bitcoin, but they will give you incremental portions of a Bitcoin. And you can take a look right here. Over 242,000 people have reviewed this with a 5-star review. Actually, let's scroll down and verify a 4.7 review right here. But you can scroll up right here and hit read more, and you can see you watch videos. Simply watch the videos you love, earn crypto while doing so. So you could jump over to the website. I already pulled it up, tv-2.com, and you can see it's an entertainment ecosystem on the blockchain, and the blockchain is the cryptocurrency. It's just it's what it sits on. It's a whole theory. It's a whole lot of stuff we're not going to talk about. That's beside the point. But this is how you would get paid. And you can see Entrepreneur, Forbes, Vice, some big companies are backed by this. You just watch videos, earn crypto, and then you see boost earnings, speed up your earnings by completing tasks. So there's multiple things you could do, but that's essentially what it is. So this is one of my favorite. And if you jump back to the App Store right here, and if we were to hit back, there's this other app right here that says Make Money. It's also by TV2. The same company that released the other one. This is just the free cash rewards. So it's a little bit different than the previous one, which was Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are cryptocurrency rewards. And you can see right here, they have over 596,000 reviews, and they're 4.8 stars. You can read about them right here. Why is Make Money the best? Blah, blah, blah. And do your due diligence. Cash out your earnings, also real money through PayPal, and enjoy your free cash. So again, make sure you set up your PayPal account first. So whenever you go sign up for these apps, you will be able to withdraw your funds whenever the limits are met. Let's jump back over to our search bar, and I want you to type in another app called UGov. YOUGOV, and click enter. So let me exit out of a few things here. Yeah. So you got UGov. It's going to be this very first one, this red one, UGov. Click that. And you can see not as many people have reviewed this one yet. So I feel as though there may be a lot more opportunity for you to get into this one. So I definitely wanted to show it to you. 15,000 reviews, 4.2. And I know they pay pretty well. It's good. It does pay out, unlike most of the other survey sites out there, reviewed right there. But what you essentially do is UGov's official app puts the power of participation in your hands wherever you go. That doesn't make any sense. Let's jump over to the website and share. This is their website, the login portion of it. Share your opinion, earn money, shape the news. So you join millions of others in sharing your opinion on politics, sports, entertainment, and more. So what this is, it's a news app for you to help put your opinion out there for big events, political events, sporting events, entertainment stuff, and how you feel about it and how it can impact your economy and stuff like that. You get to express your opinion. In turn, you get paid. It says, what will I earn? You can click these. How will I shape the news? And you can read, get cash for taking surveys. How will I shape the news? UGov surveys make the headlines every single day. And how does UGov work? You'll be invited to answer questions on a wide range of topics by email or in the UGov app. So simply download the app, and then you'll get access to surveys and stuff via email and via notifications through this app. And you could actually click here if you want to go to their homepage, and I think, or I could hit back. I have the homepage pulled up. I did right here, and you could go through. You could see Yahoo News, The Economist, Huffington Post, CBS News. So you can see they have a lot of articles that are posted daily, and that's how your voice will be heard and how you get paid. You get paid obviously via ads and stuff. I don't want to get into all of that, but that is how they pay you. My favorite though, go back to the Google App Store and type in Google Opinion Rewards. So what better way to get paid by Google or from Google Play than to do surveys or whatever Google Opinion Rewards? Like, it's owned by Google. Over 2 million people have signed up for this. You can see they have 4.4 star reviews. Nobody's going to maintain a 5. Everyone has their complaints. But over 2 million people left a review, meaning more than 2 million people probably downloaded this app. And you can see right here, answer quick surveys and earn Google Play credit with Google Opinion Rewards, an app created by the Google surveys team. So if that doesn't verify that this is authentic, then I don't know what else will, because Google's the biggest search engine there is, one of the biggest companies in the world. If not the biggest. I don't want to get into all that because I don't really know, but they're a very big company, clearly. So you come in here, install this, and do the same thing. Obviously, you pretty well known. I'm pretty positive you're going to get paid, right? So Google Opinion Rewards, that's one of my favorite. What's the one I highly recommend? That was number 4. Let me show you one more. So jump up here to Google Play again and type ATTAPOLL at a poll. The very first one right here, at a poll. They do paid surveys. Again, if you're interested in doing a few surveys here and there, they have over 22,000 people, and you just connect with a wide range of companies or organizations that are looking for your views and opinions. And what this is known as, the reason you do this is that it helps them improve on things. So it's like user testing before stuff is launched. Or like you probably heard of like the beta phase. They ask people's opinions so they can alter it, make adjustments, and improve it before it is released to the mass public. So this is kind of what it is, and people want to know how the business is doing. So whenever you're on Google Play and you look at something like this, before you install it, you can always scroll to the bottom, and right here where it says developer, you can visit the website, and that's how I was able to pull up websites rather quickly, so you could read on the website. And they don't have a big website here. This is mainly an app, so you have to go through their app. So it pretty much just brings you to a landing page saying, hey, go to our, you have to use a mobile phone or tablet to access, because they don't have a database on the internet, or for like a desktop. But that's how you get to the website, and you can see right here, you get paid to take surveys on your mobile phone or tablet. You could get it on the Google Play, or you could even get this one on the App Store. download Adipo and start getting paid for answering occasional surveys. Keep your earnings to yourself, or you could even donate them to charity. So if you're doing this in your free time, for no apparent reason, just maybe you like to do surveys, maybe you like to help express your opinion and stuff on different things out there in the world, you can do this while giving back to the community and by donating to charities and stuff like that. And I think a lot of these 5 apps that I showed you today do also have that option for you to donate your earnings within the app to charity directly. But I hope that helped. I know, like I said, this isn't going to be the most optimal way for you to make a ton of money and leave your 9 to 5, but it is a way for you to start earning a little extra income, maybe to pay a few bills, maybe to pay a car note, maybe to donate to charity, whatever you feel fit. So I just wanted to show you the top 5 that I would recommend if I was to do this. As most people here know, I do affiliate marketing, which is where I promote other people's products and I receive a commission for doing that. So that's my favorite business model. If that ever interests you, I always have a link in the description for a little more information on that. So I appreciate everybody being here. If you have not already, please do subscribe. Please smash that like button. Much love for you guys supporting me. And as always, I hope to see you in the next one.